Hi, and welcome back to another tip on how to easily troubleshoot and fix string technique problems. So today we're going to tackle the pinky on the bow hold for violin and viola. I think you know what problem I'm talking about. It's this, that straight pinky that the students can't seem to keep bent. And if you've done this yourself in the past, uh, it does feel very tense, and you don't want that. Now, here's what I used to say for years and years, and that is just bend that pinky, and oh, I can still feel it. That lock, right? It gets locked there. I can hear my knuckle going. Anyway, so you try to bend it, and then it just collapses again. Now, why does that happen? And what's the solution? Again, back to that first video, that first tip, stop trying to fix how things look and figure out what the actual problem is. The problem with the straight pinky is not that it's straight, it's that it's too far away from the other fingers. So when you place it right next to the third finger there, it will bend itself. When I discovered this, it was like, oh my God, it was that simple. Really, these solutions are that simple if you look in the right place. If you look in the wrong place, you're going to be struggling and struggling and struggling. Okay? So, because there's no way that they can bend their pinky all the way out there if that's where they're used to putting their pinky. Now, why are they putting their pinky there? Well, because they feel insecure about the balance of the bow. So it's a natural tendency for that pinky to get further and further out as they try to balance the bow. But from day one, you should get them used to putting the pinky next to the last finger and just get used to that being there, okay? And it's not going to be, it's going to feel weird at first, but that's where it's supposed to go. And that will fix that pinky problem. So again, when you know where to look, you can fix these problems that used to irritate you forever and ever very easily in just one simple instruction. So give that a try with your pinky problems in your classroom or in your lessons and let me know how it goes. I've got one more of my favorite tips left for you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Also, if you want to learn how to set up your students correctly from day one, check out my teacher training in the links below.